Oh, I do believe that's Moll.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Not a lot. Well, I am. I'm standing here at Ford Aerodrome.
Ford Airfield?
Ford Airfield, yeah, beg your pardon. And
there's loads.
oh, there's a nice little Pidgey went by.
Yeah.
And that's the crop. Looks like sweet corn, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does,
So,
which is good.
Yeah, it's nice.
And
nice.
all this used to be an old part of the old runway.
There's several of them actually, aren't there?
Yeah,
several runways.
The houses over there, there used to be Nissan huts. Is
Yeah.
that right?
Yeah.
When you were a nipper.
Yeah.
And
That was a long time ago, wasn't it?
yeah, we've got the fields on the right, which is all barley or corn, and so here you can see again part of the airfield, and it was actually bombed during World War II, and quite a few people lost their lives, didn't they?
Yeah, so I'm led to understand. I mean, I wasn't around, believe it or not.
No, but yeah, there was quite a few people lost their life, sadly.
And yet you wouldn't think it would, your little place, well, that was a little place like this.
Well, it was quite a big airfield, and,
Yeah.
and history, it goes back a long, long way in history.
Yeah.
Which
What
is,
was it before then? Was it just fields, I presume?
Well, it was fields, but I'll put a little sign up below and explaining when it was built and blah, 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 blah.
And
So,
now this is the way you come if you want to go to the market.
yeah, if you want to go to the car boot.
Or the car boots, which they have 3 times a week, which are brilliant.
Yeah,
I
and they have a
car
market.
boots. Yeah, on a Sunday.
Right, so we just keep walking down here a bit. Oh. And the thing that always fascinates me is those pipes there. We'll have a look in a minute. But here, this is one of the runways. And I do believe there were actually, I'm not sure whether Spitfires flew from here, but I'm pretty sure mosquitoes flew from here.
Yeah.
Again, I'll have to find out what squadron it was, because we've done this completely unprepared and without any notes.
Like we do.
Like we do.
Yeah.
Oh, we might be getting a bit of wind noise here. I'm trying to
It's
shield
spiky as
my
well.
mic.
I
So,
like walking through stuff like this because you just don't know what might be slithering by you.
yeah, here's the thing,
Oh yeah, on the top.
and it goes right down there, and I've no idea what that is, but there's quite a few of them across the fields, so I'll slide that shut. So,
Yeah.
go on then, Moll, off you go.
Oh, sure.
If you run fast enough down that runway and get the wind under you, you might get off the ground. No, I didn't say that. There's a rear view Moll vanishing into the distance. Okay.
Part of it now, part of the airfield now, we've got industrial units. You can see them, or some of them, just over there. So that's quite handy. It's a little, I don't know how many people they employ, but it's a good little industrial area, and it's quite unobtrusive. It's got a few trees and that around it, so it's not too bad. There's another one of them pipes there. Look.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. It's it is. Perhaps they're mortars.
It could be.
Oh well, we'll carry on walking towards that. What is it? Oh, looks like an old aircraft hangar, doesn't it? Of some sort. Come on, mate. See, we're still walking, and this is actually a public footpath. And these are basically all the old offshoots of the old runway at Ford.
Yeah.
So I'd say it was a big old airfield in its day, you know.
We I don't know what, live with it, drive past it all the time, and
Yeah.
you don't appreciate really, do you,
No.
how big it is?
It's a lot bigger than the one we covered a few weeks ago. What's it called? RAF West Hampton, better known as Goodwood. Yeah.
Because it extends quite a way that way as well, doesn't it? It's not just this little strip
Well, that's
along
right.
here.
Yeah. It's all pretty good, isn't it? Right, you with me?
I think so. I think I've pressed the right button.
Hang on.
But anything could happen. It's blinking, look,
Yeah.
it's all right.
It's recording. We're just going to. Well, we think it's probably an old munitions hut or aircraft hangar or something. Because the planes in them days was only little. So we'll just keep going. Come on, keep up.
Oh, for heaven's sake. I'm coming on.
I'm the one who's supposed to be poorly. It's good, this, isn't it?
Brilliant.
I'm ever seen enthusiastic.
Just keep waiting to trip up over something.
Yeah. I'm sure there was one a barn. Ah, there it is. See?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then. Let's. As you can see, there's more. What? I don't think it was part of the runway. I think this was possibly where they. I don't know. Just.
No, that must have been sort of part of
No, I mean all this concrete.
all this. Well,
I mean,
probably they might have stored the planes in here.
Well, yeah, they could have done.
I don't know how old it is. Didn't put dates on them, did they, in them days?
No. We can't see much, can we?
No.
Tell you what, we'll put the crab up.
Yeah.
So this is me sorting out the crab. We've got a slight echo over there off that
Yeah.
building.
Weird that, isn't
This
it?
is, for those of you interested, it's, where is it? Oh, it's a DJI Mini 2. It's quite a good little drone, very portable.
Yeah.
We've had some good results. It, you know,
It gives you a different perspective, doesn't it? Literally.
yeah. I'm having I'm sorry about this, but I'm having trouble today with me dexterity. Is it, love?
Yeah, that will do.
Yeah, I am having trouble.
inside your heart. Yeah.
Right, we had a bit of a accident with the drone.
Johnny's blooding everywhere. Yeah. Yeah.
One ripped t-shirt. It kind of went left into a bush instead of going right.
Like that bush there.
Yeah, but bless it, it's still okay. Nothing broke.
Yeah, thank heavens.
Yeah. So well done, crab. So now we're just walking up the.
Walking up.
Yeah, I'd think this was probably one of the main runways.
I would think so. It's the longest piece still intact, isn't it?
And to the right and to the left, where you can see the trees, that's like an offshoot, so the runway forms a cross.
And that's where they have the car boot and the market.
Yeah.
Which is quite handy, isn't it? Because at least when you go to these things, you're not standing in mud. You know, if it's on a field or anything like that.
But,
so, yeah,
yeah. So this is the old runway. Go on, Moll's on the search for Kevin Costner.
Oh, I wish, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I wish we could have showed you more of Ford Airfield, but there's not much more to see.
Yeah.
And we can't go the other side, can we?
No, because of the prison.
The Ford prison's there.
Yeah.
So we can't do.
We can't film. You've got to be so careful because when you get the height,
Yeah.
you also obviously widen your horizon sort of thing, really, and it's a bit awkward.
Now we've left this to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Yeah. Because last week was quite a poor week, if I remember right.
It was, wasn't it? Yeah. Maybe we're not as popular as what we thought we were.
Well, we never thought we was popular, did we?
No.
You know, we just do what.
Acquired taste, aren't we? What's that?
Yeah. But the sad thing is, we have to tell you. We'll stop for this, shall we? That all this is going to be built on.
Yeah.
1,500 houses are going to be built on Ford Airfield. It's going to be a little town and it's going to be called the Airfield.
It's original, isn't
How
it?
frigging novel is that? So we thought we'd film it before it goes, the same as everything in this village.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll see you next week.
Yep.
Bye. There's those. Honestly, if Kevin Costner did come out of there half naked, what would you do, Moll?
Half naked, love, at his age, you'd probably.
No, when he was in the Field of Dreams, what would you have done?
I would go, hello, Kevin.
You'd have jumped him, wouldn't you? Huh? Go on, admit it.
If I was about 40 years younger,
You'd
yeah.
have jumped him when your hormones was all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd have had him. And the rest of the ghosts that come out the cornfield.
Oh dear.
I'm keeping those an outtake.